So I'm Daniel, co-founder and CEO of Anon. You can see our logo on the wall over here. It's funny, we moved into this office a year ago, and we had very few fun big meetup nights, and then Danny and the Jam team move in, and all of a sudden, fun big meetup nights. So it's good to have fun office mates, and thanks so much for putting this on again. Cool. So anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're building at Anon. We call ourselves the integration platform for the AI internet. We do integrations in a little bit different way than Flo just showed you in the Lindy team. What we effectively do is we help AI agents build authenticated access into sites that don't have APIs. So logging in with usernames and passwords, handling two-factor authentication, controlling browsers, basically all of those things. And we support a bunch of different companies and use cases. If you've used a lot of popular consumer agents, enterprise agents, all kinds of things, you've probably seen our login flow and screen, whether you knew it or not. It looks a lot like Plaid. If you use Plaid in fintech apps, except you can use it to control any app on the internet effectively. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how it works. Once you get access to Anon, you will get basically a login to this nifty dashboard here. Most of our platform is developer tooling, so you copy your API key and use it locally. But I'm going to show you kind of a quick walkthrough of how it looks and works that's basically embedded in this dashboard. So you can go here. We use LinkedIn as a demo account because it's a popular integration. You can see basically here, confetti too soon. You can see this would be like your company's name. Uses Anon to connect with your LinkedIn account. You can put your image here, our little logo in the middle. Again, looks a lot like Plaid. You click connect. And there's different methods of connecting. This uses a Chrome extension, but we have like an extensionless linking flow as well. And then you press log into LinkedIn. It's going to be kind of weird on the projected screen, but since I already have entered my username and password credentials, it's basically just pulling down the browser state for my existing browser on LinkedIn. But there's a whole login flow that handles like email, password, 2FA, mother's maiden name, like whatever it needs to basically log into the site. And then once it connects, which it should connect, unless there's something issue with. I've never done it on like a big projector screen like this, so I don't know how it's, hold on. Here we go. There we go, and it connected. So you could click continue with the experience. That's usually just embedded into our customers' applications. And then this is just a little demo where it lets you search LinkedIn. So I'm gonna search Danny, who we became LinkedIn friends earlier today, funny enough. And you can see everyone called Danny that you're connected to on LinkedIn. This is basically opening a headless browser and then searching LinkedIn on your behalf. And then it lets you select a user and say, hey, what's up? Send a message. So Daniel will receive that message in just a second, message sent successfully. We don't just support LinkedIn. Like we have a playground that shows a bunch of different like fun integrations you can use. But we have an integration builder. We have people that do hundreds of integrations, thousands of integrations of any site on the internet. And then we give you a bunch of tooling both in the dashboard. Things bugging out, but like an activity panel that shows session time, successive authentication, et cetera, all your users. But then kind of the meat of the product is here in our docs. It lets you implement our SDKs for different platforms and then shows you how to basically write workflows to where you can automate browsers on behalf of your users for anything. So we have people using this for everything from apps for booking restaurants and flights to people building personal AI assistants to like lots and lots of use cases for enterprises, basically doing like RPA actions and moving data around, which is really our specialty and the thing we're especially focused on these days. So yeah, that is a little overview of Anon. We're also 10 people, a bunch of the team in the back. Raise your hand, guys, from the Anon team. Come talk to us. We're hiring a lot. And yeah, it's been a pleasure demoing for everyone. Question.